Cooking becomes easier when you have the right tools, and a reliable hand mixer can transform everyday recipes into smooth, consistent results for baking, whipping, and blending with confidence. Best Hand Mixer Brands Guide helps you compare performance, everyday usability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. KitchenAid KHM926 Hand Mixer Brand. The KitchenAid KHM926 hand mixer stands out as a premium choice for home bakers who value power, precision, and long-term reliability. Designed with 9 distinct speed settings, this mixer allows users to move smoothly from gently folding in chocolate chips to kneading yeast-based dough without losing control. The low starting speed minimizes splatter, while higher levels deliver enough torque for dense batters and thick mixtures. One of its strongest features is the stainless steel Turbo Beater 2 accessories, which are engineered to handle heavy ingredients efficiently and remain easy to clean thanks to their dishwasher-safe design. The included Pro Whisk attachment adds versatility by enabling users to whip egg whites, cream, and light batters to perfect consistency, making it ideal for cakes, meringues, and dessert toppings. For bread lovers, the dough hooks simplify kneading, reducing physical effort while ensuring consistent texture. Another notable addition is the blending rod, which expands functionality beyond baking by allowing users to prepare smoothies, sauces, and dressings directly in containers. Ergonomically, the mixer feels balanced in hand, reducing fatigue during longer mixing sessions. Its durable construction and thoughtful attachment system make it a dependable tool for frequent use. Number 2. Cuisinart 220-watt hand mixer brand. The Cuisinart 220-watt hand mixer is designed for users who want strong performance paired with intuitive control. Powered by a reliable 220-watt motor, this model delivers consistent mixing strength across 9 speed settings, allowing precise adjustments for everything from delicate frosting to thick cookie dough. One of its standout features is the Smooth Start technology, which gradually increases speed to prevent splattering and keep ingredients inside the bowl. This makes it especially useful for beginners or anyone who prefers a cleaner, more controlled mixing experience. The LED display and one-step power switch enhance usability by clearly showing selected speeds and simplifying operation. Extra-long beaters without center posts prevent clogging, ensuring that ingredients mix evenly without frequent stopping. These beaters are self-cleaning and dishwasher-safe, further reducing maintenance time. The included accessories, such as dough hooks, chef's whisk, spatula, and recipe book, add significant value, making this mixer suitable for a wide range of recipes. Its snap-on storage case keeps everything organized and protected, which is ideal for compact kitchens. In terms of handling, the mixer feels sturdy yet comfortable, providing good grip and balance. Overall, the Cuisinart 220-watt hand mixer combines smart features, dependable power, and thoughtful accessories, making it an excellent choice for home cooks who want efficiency, versatility, and convenience in one reliable package. Number 3. Breville Handy Hand Mixer Brand. The Breville Handy Hand Mixer is a premium option that focuses on intelligent performance and user comfort. Its signature Beater IQ technology automatically detects which attachment is in use and recalibrates the speed accordingly, ensuring optimal mixing without manual adjustments. This feature makes transitions between whisking, beating, and kneading smooth and efficient. The quiet scraper beaters are another highlight, as they maintain close contact with the bowl while minimizing noise, resulting in more thorough mixing and a calmer kitchen environment. With 9 speed settings and an additional boost function, users gain precise control over texture and consistency, whether preparing delicate creams or dense batters. The ergonomic handle promotes a natural hand position, reducing wrist strain during extended use. This thoughtful design makes the mixers suitable for frequent bakers who often work with large batches. Storage is also well considered, with a compact, detachable compartment that neatly houses attachments and the swivel cord. Build quality is solid, reflecting Breville's reputation for premium craftsmanship. The overall experience feels refined, from smooth speed transitions to balanced weight distribution. Number 4. Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer Brand. The Braun MultiMix hand mixer is engineered with a focus on power, efficiency, and ergonomic innovation. Featuring a robust 350-watt motor, it delivers impressive mixing strength that handles thick cake batters, doughs, and heavy ingredients with ease. What truly distinguishes this model is its Smart Mix technology, which positions the motor vertically to shift weight from the user's hand into the bowl. This design significantly reduces fatigue and makes prolonged mixing more comfortable. The result is smoother control and less physical strain, even during demanding tasks. Cleaning is simplified through its sealed housing system, which prevents ingredients from entering internal components, while dishwasher-safe attachments further enhance convenience. The one-handed Vario control dial allows users to adjust speeds seamlessly while mixing, eliminating the need to pause and reposition hands. Switching attachments is equally effortless with a quick release button. In everyday use, the Braun MultiMix feels stable, powerful, and easy to maneuver. Its thoughtful engineering ensures consistent results across a wide range of recipes, from light whipped toppings to dense bread dough.
Number 5. Hamilton Beach 62657 Hand Mixer Brand. The Hamilton Beach 62657 hand mixer is built to deliver dependable performance at an accessible price point, making it a popular option for everyday home use. Equipped with a DC motor, it provides strong and consistent power while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. This combination ensures efficient mixing without causing hand fatigue during longer sessions. The slow start feature is particularly useful as it prevents splattering by beginning at a gentle speed, allowing users to combine ingredients neatly and confidently. The mixer includes soft scrape beaters, a whisk, and dough hooks, which expand its versatility across baking and cooking tasks. These stainless steel attachments are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup and encouraging frequent use. A snap-on storage case keeps all accessories organized, reducing clutter and protecting components when not in use. In terms of usability, the mixer feels balanced and responsive, offering reliable control for both beginners and experienced cooks. While it may not feature advanced digital controls, its straightforward operation and durable construction make it highly practical. For users who want a no-nonsense hand mixer that delivers solid results, easy maintenance, and excellent value, the Hamilton Beach 62657 remains a trustworthy and efficient choice for everyday kitchen needs.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.